Hi friends, now we are going to see baby food for weight gaining and brain development for babies of 6 months to 2 years. Come, let's see how to do this. First we have to do one banana and we have to mash it either with a fork or anything. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of oats and we have to boil this with 1 glass of water till it thickens. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Now this has thickened and we have to transfer it to the mixer jar. Boil oats and the mashed banana. After we grind it, we get the fine paste. We can give it to the babies. It will be stomach filling. You can give it either for lunch or dinner. Baby will get good sleep. So it will get good growth. Thank you.